Hello everybody, this is Ryan Butcher with North of the Blue. Today I'm going to talk to you about the market overview, and I'm going to throw in a few more ETFs, including IYY, which is the US overall market, GLD, which represents gold, SLV, which is silver, and UUP, which is double long or bullish US currency. So let's go ahead and start with IYY, and the basis of North of the Blue is when this price line crosses the blue moving average or grows north of the blue, that is when you enter the stock. And that is when we are in a bullish market, according to this ETF. So from March to May, we are in a bullish market, and then now from September till now, we've been in a bullish market as well. And as we can see, that these power lines down here, that's what they're called, power lines, and the blue represents volume, the black represents an upward price strength. It kind of gets a little confusing because these are supposed to be together going up and cross the blue moving average. So when that's not happening, I like to go ahead and look at our Pro chart, which is AMC charting. And if you do not have this, email, let me know. Actually, I'll just put the link in underneath this video, and you can download it. If you need a activation key, if this is the first time viewing North of the Blue, go to northoftheblue.com and try the free month subscription. Using AMC charting, it's slightly different. We still have the power lines and we still have the price chart, but instead of one blue moving average, we have three moving averages. We have red, which I call aggressive, green for moderate, and blue for conservative. And the rule states when the black line crosses any or all three of these lines, that is time to look at an entry signal, because we want to go down here and look at these power charts. This power charts, as you can see, we still have the blue and black line, but now there's a yellow line in here as well. And the yellow represents the price. We only want to look at the blue and yellow line right now. When the yellow line crosses the blue line in the power chart, as well as the price line crossing any three of these moving averages, that is time to enter the stock. Now, take a look in May, and we have all three lines declining. This would not be a good entry right here. Yes, the yellow does cross the blue. Yes, the black crosses the red, and at this, when you see everything declining, you want it to pass through all three lines. So that would have been a false entry. That was right after May 6 when market gapped up and was recorrecting itself. So I want to take a real quick look at some of the fundamentals of what's happening in our economy. Using this chart, the market is going up, and we're going to take a look at gold and silver, and those have been going up since August. And the question is why? Why has the market been going up? Why has gold and silver been going up together? And some of the answer is, I'm going to read you a little paragraph out of a website everybody should check out. It's called Casey's Daily Dispatch, and I think it's called caseysreaders.com online. But what they have said in here is what brings us to what actually is driving the price of gold up, namely that there's a global race to the bottom underway for the world's fiat currencies in their efforts to save their economies from the extraordinary levels of debt they and their predecessors have run up. The misguided politicians now believe that the best approach is to devalue their currencies against those of their trading partners. This is the hopes of gaining a competitive commercial advantage for their exports, products, on global markets. And I'm actually going to type that paragraph out, but as we look at these other charts, we're going to be seeing that gold is going up, silver is going up, and the dollar is going down. So we are in a market that is being inflated, and when the dollar actually gains value, you're going to see the market drop, such as it did this morning. The dollar actually gained a little bit. Markets were dropped extraordinary, same with gold and silver, and then came back up at the end of the day. So please click on video 2 to check out the gold and silver charts and to learn a little bit more about North of the Blue.